Today's video is gonna be unboxing of the Dji Mic. YouTube, welcome back with another video. And as y'all can see, the studio look a little bit different, you know? I got a little bit change of a setup, got some more light, new angles and everything. Got this light right here, this wooden shelf that has all of my achievements and my collector's item. I got this palm tree, you know? It's looking pretty cool. It's pretty nice, as y'all see right there. Of a new feel. Also got this old light ring right here that adds a little bit more light and everything to the studio. So things are a little bit different. But in today's video, we got an unboxing. We got another DJI project. If you can't tell, I'm rocking with DJI, you know? It works to show y'all what it is, you feel me? What it is, what it do. Oop, I almost cut myself. I'll be bad, cut myself on camera. I'd include it too, that's how you get clickbait. Or to cut myself, but I'm not, I'm a pro. Remember, cut away from yourself. So drop down in the comments what you think it is, which you probably already know what it is by the title of this video, but just drop down anyway. Like I said, if y'all haven't noticed, I told y'all about the setup around the room, the lighting. I got a ring light and everything too. So I'm getting serious with these videos, you know. I'm taking them really seriously, and I'm putting in my best effort to making these videos good, because I want to take YouTube serious, you know. So with all that being said, today's video is going to be an unboxing of the DJI Mini, or my bad. Today's video is gonna be unboxing of the DJI Mic. So I just picked up a microphone. That way I improve the sound quality for the videos and everything like that. So that's what it's looking like. Every video, so once you have the good quality, you have the good background, you gotta have a good microphone too. And I feel as though with me doing reviews of the drones outside and us going on vacation or going anywhere, it's perfect. It's even on there, you know, the lady blowing in the wind, she got a little microphone on. And you got these two doing an interview right there. They both got mics, and then like a little vlog set up right there. So this is what this microphone's meant for, and let's go ahead and dive right in and let's see what's inside this. All right, YouTube, so if you hear any noise in the background, that's people cutting the grass outside, so just kind of ignore that. But that's why we got this microphone, so we don't got to worry about that. All right, so like I said, this is what it's looking like on the side. You know, it's meant for just regular videos, doing interviews, or even vlogging. Whenever you're far away from the camera, you can do that. And then that's what it looks like on the back. So it's up to 250 transmission range, so you can go 250 meters within the range of the transmitter, and it'll still record. It's dual channel recording, up to 14 hours onboard memory, portable and compact, wide capability, and 15-hour battery. It's not your average unboxing, so we're not going to talk about all the specs. We're just going to hop right into this right here. So let me grab my pocket knife. There you go. Yeah, I've been, like I said, I've wanted to take YouTube serious. Wait, hold on. Let's get the official, the ASMR unboxing or unpeeling. There you go, so just took it out the package. So now let's see. I've been doing a lot of homework about these, you know. To me, DJI, they're just like Apple, you know. They make great products. If I could open this out. Okay, so that's how you open it right there. And then the seal board's right here. And now let's open it up. That's how it's opening. Boom, got that right there. And let's see what's in here before we get on into that. So this is like a little carrying case that comes with it. Let's see what's inside. Let me put up the knife. Or we got a charger cable. Like I said, another USB-C to USB. So you plug it in the receiver, and then you plug it into your camera, and that's how you can transfer the audio to it. And then, like I said, it comes with this nice little carrying pouch, and then these little dead cats. So these, you put this on top of your mic. That way, when the wind's blowing, it doesn't affect the audio, and this will help with the audio of the mic. But yeah, that's what that's looking like. And then, you know, some more warranty information and stuff that we're not gonna really read or really care about, because we don't need that, you know. That's why you're watching this YouTube video, so you don't need to read that information, you feel me? All right, so another ASMR plastic taken off. All right, there you go. So it says DJI. It kind of has this rubber feel to it. It's really soft. It's not hard, but it still has some like grip to it. And it kind of looks like an AirPod case, and it kind of does act like an AirPod case. So whenever you put up the microphone, it automatically charges each mic. This is one mic right here. Then we got Another mic right here. And then it comes with these clips, so you can clip it onto something. You can use this magnetic clip right here. It's pretty strong, as you see. Holds on really well. It has a good solid connection. So whichever way you prefer to put on your microphone. And then this is the receiver right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and set this up. So we're gonna click English or next. Today's date is the 12th, 2:15. Bro, how does this thing already know that? And there you go. Now we're gonna just test out the mics, see where the mic volume goes, and kind of get that adjusted. Test 1 2. Say you want to do a little video on your phone, so you'll plug this part in right here to your iPhone, plug that in right there, and then it just slips on like that. Boom, now it's connected in, and then you would just plug that into your phone like that, and then it'll take the audio, and then that way you would go to record your video, I'll hook it up like that, and you can just talk on the receiver, and everything will be synced up to the video, and you can just talk on the mic, and it'll be transferred the file over to the video. So pretty cool how that works. This is the piece I was talking. If you want to hook it up to your camera, you want to hook that up, plug that in like that, so that just slides out like that, and then this would be for USB-C. So it's pretty cool how it works. Just dropped it. And this is a I really don't know what this part is. I guess like a way to clamp something on. Everything that comes inside the box right there for the microphone. All right, YouTube, and just like that, we are back. So now I'm hooked up to the microphone, as you can hear. Maybe you can hear the difference. If you can, let me know down in the comments below. But like I said, I kind of want to take this YouTube a little bit more serious, and with me getting the nice camera, different background, you gotta upgrade the audio and the quality. But you can't even hear me. But I'm all the way over here. You feel me? I'm all the way over here, but it sounds like I'm just right up close. That's why I got this microphone. Doesn't matter how far away I am, where I'm at, like it'll always be good audio and good quality. I really want to take this YouTube serious. So with me having this microphone, it's just gonna help and elevate that. So if you want to see the official review of this microphone, let me know down in the comments below, and I'm gonna be dropping that soon. And if you like today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Peace.